What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best rolling garage stools on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Traxion 2700 ProGear Rolling Garage Stool. The Traxion 2700 ProGear sets itself apart with its stylish racing seat look that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your workspace but also provides maximum comfort during extended periods of use. Crafted with ergonomic precision, this seat ensures you stay comfortable and focused on your tasks. Say goodbye to rummaging through cluttered toolboxes. The Traxion 2700 features a large gear tray that spins on its axis, enabling quick and easy tool or part location. This innovative design saves you valuable time and frustration, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand. Equipped with 5 all-terrain 5-inch casters constructed of polyurethane tread. Number 4. Torin TR6300 Rolling Garage Creeper. The Torin TR6300 Rolling Creeper seat is designed with your comfort in mind. Its soft, fully padded seat provides ample cushioning, allowing you to work on your car, truck, SUV, van, or any other vehicle with ease and comfort. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly searching for your tools. This creeper seat features a large, segmented tool tray storage right beneath the seat, keeping your tools and equipment well organized and within quick reach. No more interruptions to your workflow searching for misplaced tools. Crafted with heavy-duty tubular steel, the Torin TR6300 is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures stability and long-term durability. Capable of supporting up to 250 pounds of weight. You can rely on this creeper seat to withstand the demands of your daily mechanical tasks. Number 3. 73012 Rolling Mechanic Seat. The WEN 73012 Rolling Mechanic Seat is designed with your comfort in mind. Featuring thick and absorbent vinyl-protected multi-layered padding, it maximizes protection and comfort during long hours of use. The sturdy steel frame construction ensures durability and longevity, capable of holding up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight. With the pull of a lever, you can easily adjust the height of the seat anywhere from 15 to 20 inches. This flexibility allows you to customize the seating position according to your preference and the requirements of the task at hand. Equipped with 5 2.5-inch swiveling casters, the WEN 73012 provides smooth and omnidirectional movement around your garage or workshop. Number 2. Proli C2036D Gray Mechanics Creeper Seat. The Proli C2036D boasts a sturdy construction designed to withstand the rigors of mechanical work. With its durable materials and thoughtful design, this creeper seat offers both functionality and comfort. The thick padded cushions ensure that you can work for extended periods without discomfort, while the vinyl padding adds to its durability and ease of cleaning. One of the standout features of the Proli C2036D is its versatility. Easily convertible from a creeper to a seat, it provides flexibility for various maintenance tasks. Whether you're working under a vehicle or need a comfortable seat while tinkering with machinery, this creeper seat has you covered. Equipped with 6 swivel casters, the Proli C2036D offers effortless maneuverability in tight spaces. The smooth rolling casters allow you to glide across your workspace with ease. Number 1. Vever Mechanics Roller Seat. Say goodbye to cumbersome movements with the Vever Mechanics Roller Seat. Equipped with 4-inch universal rubber casters, including 2 brake casters, this seat offers effortless positioning and smooth navigation over bumps. Even on concrete floors, the Mechanics stool can rotate a full 360 degrees, thanks to its elastic rubber wheels with silent shock absorber technology that makes no damage to your floor. Experience supreme comfort during maintenance tasks with the thick, soft sponge cushion of the Vever Mechanics seat. Its curved design provides enhanced support, promoting a relaxed posture that reduces strain during prolonged use. With an optimal height of 15.4 inches, you can work efficiently without feeling fatigued. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring you can focus on the task at hand without distractions. The Vever Mechanics roller seat features 3 storage trays for easy tool access and organization. 2 card slot partition trays and installation stickers keep your equipment securely in place, even during movement. The pull-out tray provides ample storage for all your tools, eliminating the hassle of searching for misplaced items. Stay focused on your maintenance work with streamlined workflows and enhanced efficiency. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.